by completing the short and easy form on this page, you can earn $5, $10, $15, $20, or even $90 for having fun. You can do this from anywhere in the world, from your iPhone or Android phone, or else you can use your computer or laptop. It's up to you guys. So in just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll show you a real life example so that you can see me doing everything step by step in this short video. Make sure you tap on the like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and if you are new here, make sure you tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online, so you'll be one of the first persons around the world to use it and make the most of it. So stick with me until the end without skipping a second, as this is one of the easiest methods in the world to earn PayPal money instantly and for absolutely free. Don't miss anything, as I'll be giving you some bonus tips to maximize your earnings as we are heading to the website that will be paying us today. This is userlytics.com, and you have to come over to this website and scroll all the way down and hit this be paid to participate and get paid to test websites and apps. There are 3 simple steps, guys. First step, you have to register by completing the short and easy form on this page and interact with a web or mobile app. As it shows over here, you can use your phone, laptop, or the computer for this and get paid with PayPal. Once your test results have been approved, depending on the user test project, you can be paid $5, $10, $15, $20, or other amounts. Some of their projects pay as much as $90 for having fun expressing opinions while navigating the web. And what countries can you test from? A lot of our user testing projects are in Europe and North America, but we have also recently started to do more fun projects in South Africa, Southeast Asia, Japan, China, and other countries around the world. We are a global provider, and the demand from our clients keeps on growing rapidly. Now you can use your free time to have fun and earn money. So it says it works worldwide. Guys, make sure you type the country you live in the comment section down below so that I can make more tutorials for your region in the future. And what kind of software and hardware you need to do this, either a desktop or a laptop or a smartphone. So if you are using a Mac, you should have OS X 10.13 or higher. If you use Windows, it should be Windows 7 or higher. And the browsers, you can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari. You should have a microphone. For some tests, you will also need a webcam, but it's for some tests. And if you are using your desktop or the laptop, you have to download the Userlytics recorder for that. So you can download it from here, from this site. And for mobile users, it should be Android Lollipop 5.0 or higher, iPhone iOS 11 or higher, standard browser such as Chrome or Safari. Microphone, of course, you have a microphone in your mobile. And for some tests, you will need to use your front camera, and you have to download the Userlytics app from Google Play Store or Apple iOS. Apple App Store. So in order to get started, you just need to give your email address over here and hit this sign up button and confirm that you're 16 years or older and agree to the terms of use, privacy policy, data transfer policy, and the information security policy. Read those if you want, and let's sign up. And it says your account has been successfully created. Please check your mail for your login details. If you do not receive any email in your inbox, check your spam folder. So let's go check the inbox. See, it's there. So you have to use this link to confirm your account. Guys, this link will only be available for the next 24 hours. So make sure you click the link before 24 hours and make sure you receive all emails from us, from them, because they'll notify you about the tests you qualify for. So please add the email address to your contacts or address book. And if you need any help, please consult this guide, or else you can comment down below. I'll help you out if you don't know how to add an email to your address book. And guys, for those of you who watched until this time, I just want to show you a demo on exactly how to do this, okay? And before that, if you are getting a value out of this video, make sure you tap on the like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online, so you'll be one of the first persons around the world to use it and make the most of it. So let's see the demo. So this task comes under the category of website testing, and the estimated time will be 5 to 10 minutes and the payout rate is $90. So you have to follow all these steps. So as the first step, you have to open a new browser tab and visit Etsy official website at www.etsy.com. So let's go to etsy.com. So we are here at etsy.com, and let's see the second step that we have to do. Take a screenshot of the homepage of the official Etsy website using your mobile phone or your computer. So obviously you have to go to etsy.com and take a screenshot. And the third step, please search the following: clothing, women's clothing, dresses, and filter the results based on the following. Guys, the reason why they want us to test this is that they want to make sure that all the customers, when they come over to the particular website, actually know how to find various products. So let's go to clothing, women's clothing, and dresses. Clothing, women's clothing, and dresses. Right, and let's go to the task. So you need to filter all of these special offers. It should be free shipping, ready to ship in 1 business day. Special offers should be free shipping and ready to ship in 1 business day. Price any price, size 0, clothing style gothic. Price any price, search for the size, it should be 0, and the clothing style should be gothic. Yeah, it's here, gothic. So just like that, you have to filter all of these. And for the step number 4, please search for the green sapphire engagement ring and take a screenshot of the current discounted price. So let's search for the green sapphire engagement ring. Green sapphire engagement ring. So you have to go to that and take a screenshot of the current discounted price. Yes, they have a discounted price at the moment, so you have to take a screenshot of that as well. Guys, all it took is less than 5 minutes, right? And you get $90 for simply browsing and testing websites. Yeah, maybe you get $5, maybe you get $10, maybe you get 20 or 90. It depends, guys. So you need to complete all the steps and take screenshots to prove them. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Like this video, share this with your mates, subscribe. Thanks for watching.